High in the mountains of the Asir region, where clouds kiss the earth and mist dances over green peaks, lies a city unlike any other, Abha, the city above the clouds. Far from the desert heat of Arabia, Abha blooms with color, culture, and calm. The cool mountain breeze greets you as you drive along winding roads, each turn revealing a new horizon of terraced farms, stone villages, and drifting fog that seems to whisper ancient tales. In the heart of the city, time slows down. The streets are painted in shades of tradition, from the bright doors of the old village of Al-Muftaha to the intricate murals that tell stories of the Asiri women's art, known as Al-Qatt Al-Asiri, recognized by UNESCO. Walk through Tuesday Market, and you'll smell the aroma of spices, hear the chatter of merchants, and feel the heartbeat of southern Saudi culture. Then, take the cable car ride to Jabal Sawda, the highest peak in the kingdom, where the world seems to disappear beneath a sea of clouds. Here, the silence isn't empty, it's filled with peace. As night falls, Abha glows softly under the stars. Lanterns light up mountain cafés, where locals share tea and stories. The scent of cardamom drifts through the air, and the sound of mizmar music echoes through the valleys. Abha is more than a destination. It's a feeling, a reminder that beauty can exist where you least expect it. A place where the mountains touch the sky, and your heart feels a little lighter above the clouds. Beyond the city lights, the soul of Abha lives in its villages, where time moves to the rhythm of nature. Drive to Rijal Almaa, a village carved from stone and history, its ancient towers glowing golden under the mountain sun. Once a trading hub between Yemen and the Arabian Peninsula, today it stands as a living museum, its people proud, its walls alive with heritage. Here, every carved door and every painted wall carries whispers of stories passed down for centuries. In Abha's highlands, the air feels lighter, and so do your thoughts. Visit Al-Soudah National Park, where the green hills roll endlessly, covered with juniper trees and floating fog. Families picnic above the clouds. Children run through the mist, and laughter echoes between the peaks. It's a reminder that happiness doesn't always need noise. Sometimes it's found in the quiet beauty of nature.